Hi everyone, welcome to the channel and welcome to another video. So I'm going to be resetting the service light on this Mazda CX5. Now there's various ways you can do it. You can try doing it through the cluster in the middle, which is the most common way of doing it. You pop into applications here and you go into the maintenance menu, and it's quite easy. You can reset the oil change and schedule maintenance. Now this doesn't always work. It doesn't always take the warning off the dashboard. Over here on the right hand side you might have oil change due or maintenance due coming up in this little screen here. So you have to reset that a different way sometimes. I think it's if it's been sort of driven for a long time with the service light on and it's got 0 oil life remaining. So this is more of like an oil life reset, but if you've got the big orange warning coming up here and you can't get rid of it, then this reset should work for you. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using this up here, the trip button, and we're going to be using the start stop button down here. This car's got start stop. Now we're not going to be putting our feet on any of the pedals or anything like that. We're just using those two buttons. So first of all, you want your ignition off, so you want to be in this position. Okay, and then it's going to be a little bit tricky to do this, but I am going to hold the trip button in here. So that trip button is now in, and you're going to be looking for a little orange light to start flashing down here when I switch the ignition on. Now what you've got to do is hold the start stop button. So don't press it and release it, hold it down. Make sure you've got the trip button up here pressed in before you even attempt to do that. So that button pressed in, and then hold down the start stop button. So I've got it in now, I'm holding it, holding the start stop button. And that little triangle down there, you see is flashing away there, and now it's stopped. Then you can release the trip button and the start stop button, and all going well, once you start the engine, clutch down, you shouldn't have any warnings coming up on this side of the dash. Okay guys, so there you go, hope that helps you out. If it does, please do like and think about subscribing. I do often put videos on, so be good to see you come back. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.